What if I told you that the difference between surviving the wild and thriving in it could fit right in your backpack? Stick around because you won't want to miss number one. It might just blow your mind. Let's dive in. Portable solar charger. Picture this. Your phone is dead and your flashlight is running out of juice. The sun is your only ally. Enter the portable solar charger. Lightweight, foldable, and always ready to harness the sun's power. Simply unfold it on your backpack while hiking, and it charges multiple devices through its USB ports. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or on a casual camping trip, this solar charger ensures you stay connected, powered, and ready for anything. Emergency survival blanket. It's freezing cold and the night has crept in faster than you expected. You reach for this metallic-looking blanket and it does more than just keep you warm. It reflects 90% of your body heat back to you. The survival blanket can also double as a signal reflector or rain cover. Small enough to fit in your pocket, it's an essential tool that could turn a life-threatening situation into a cozy, life-saving story of survival. Survival water filter, straw. Imagine stumbling upon a crystal-clear stream after hours without water. But can you trust it? With the survival water filter straw, the answer is always yes. This incredible gadget filters bacteria and parasites as you drink directly from the source. It's compact, simple, and can save your life by providing instant access to clean water in emergencies. With this straw, even the murkiest water becomes your lifeline. Compact multi-tool. You're sitting by a campfire needing to open a can, fix a piece of gear, or cut a rope. Instead of searching for separate tools, you pull out your compact multi-tool. Packed with pliers, screwdrivers, scissors, and more, it feels like holding a mini toolbox in your hand. It's a gadget that doesn't just prepare you for the wild. It makes you feel like a survival expert every time you use it. Fire starter kit. Rain is pouring, the temperature's dropping, and you need fire. Fast. A match wouldn't stand a chance, but this fire starter kit does. Strike the magnesium rod with its steel striker and sparks fly, igniting your kindling even in wet conditions. It's reliable, reusable, and compact. There's something primal and satisfying about creating fire with your own hands, turning a survival scenario into a triumphant moment. Tactical pen with glass breaker. It looks like an ordinary pen, but in a split second, it can become a lifesaver. Use it to write your travel notes or escape a locked car by breaking a window. Lightweight yet durable, this tactical pen combines everyday utility with emergency readiness. Whether you're jotting down your next adventure or facing an unexpected situation, this tool proves that sometimes the smallest gadgets pack the biggest punch. Emergency whistle. Picture yourself lost in dense woods, your voice hoarse from yelling. The emergency whistle changes everything. Its piercing sound travels farther than any scream, alerting rescuers to your location. Compact and lightweight, it clips onto your gear, ensuring it's always within reach. In moments of isolation, this little tool becomes your loudest cry for help, turning silence into a beacon of hope. Survival. Fishing kit. Hunger strikes, and you're surrounded by a lake teeming with fish. But you didn't bring fishing gear, right? Wrong. With the survival fishing kit, you have everything you need in a small tin. Hooks, lines, and sinkers. It's compact, but it delivers big when it comes to catching dinner. The joy of pulling a fish from the water with this tiny kit isn't just about survival, it's about self-reliance in its purest form. Collapsible water bottle. Your backpack is full, but you need to carry water. The solution? A collapsible water bottle. It folds down when empty, saving precious space, and expands when you need it. Made from durable silicone, it's leak-proof and reusable. Picture yourself filling it from a clean stream, knowing you've saved room in your bag while staying hydrated. This isn't just a bottle, it's smart packing at its best. Lightweight survival tent. The storm clouds are rolling in and you need shelter fast. A lightweight survival tent pops out of your bag, unfolding into a protective cocoon in minutes. It shields you from wind, rain, and even snow. Despite its compact size, it offers room to stretch and rest. Imagine zipping it up, listening to the rain patter outside while you stay warm and dry, feeling grateful for this portable refuge. Paracord survival bracelet. You're hiking when your shoelace snaps and your food bag needs to hang safely from a tree. Luckily, your paracord survival bracelet is on your wrist. It unravels to provide 10 feet of sturdy cord. But that's not all. It has a whistle, a fire starter, and a compass built in. Whether you're crafting a shelter or signaling for help, this bracelet isn't just survival gear. It's a lifesaver disguised as an accessory. Hand crank flashlight. The sun sets quickly, leaving you in pitch darkness. Batteries dead? No problem. This hand crank flashlight comes to the rescue. A few quick cranks, and it floods your surroundings with light. Compact, reliable, and eco-friendly, it's a gadget that never leaves you in the dark. Picture lighting your way through the woods, knowing this little powerhouse will keep going as long as you can crank. First aid kit. A sudden slip leaves you with a nasty cut. Reaching into your backpack, you pull out your compact first aid kit. With antiseptic wipes, bandages, and tweezers, you patch yourself up in minutes. This kit isn't just for scrapes, it's equipped for more serious injuries too. Lightweight and organized, it's a reminder that being prepared means you can handle life's surprises with confidence and calm. Survival shovel. You're setting up camp and need to dig a fire pit, clear debris, or anchor your tent. Out comes the survival shovel. Small and foldable, it transforms into a versatile tool for digging, sawing, or even hammering tent stakes. It's sturdy enough for tough jobs, but compact enough to carry anywhere. With this gadget, even the most rugged terrain feels like home. Personal water tank. You're on a long hike, and water sources are scarce. Enter the personal water tank, a collapsible, lightweight container that holds several liters of life-saving hydration. Strap it to your backpack and refill it whenever you cross a stream. Imagine the relief of knowing you have enough water to keep going, no matter how far the journey. This tank is the silent hero of every adventure. Compact sleeping bag. As night falls, the temperature plummets. You reach for your compact sleeping bag, and in seconds, you're cocooned in warmth. Waterproof, windproof, and lightweight, it fits into your pack without taking up precious space. Whether it's a chilly mountaintop or a damp forest floor, this sleeping bag ensures that every night outdoors feels safe and snug. Pocket chainsaw. You're out of firewood and the large branches around you seem impossible to cut unless you have this pocket chainsaw. Its sharp teeth slice through wood with ease, powered by your own hands. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, it's a game changer for campers and survivalists. Picture the satisfaction of cutting through a thick log and building a roaring campfire, all thanks to this handy tool. Emergency radio. A storm rolls in, cutting off all communication. That's when your emergency radio becomes essential. Hand-cranked or solar-powered, it keeps you updated on weather alerts and rescue signals. But that's not all. It also charges your phone and serves as a flashlight. With this multifunctional gadget, you stay informed and connected, no matter how isolated you are. The bear spray. You hear rustling in the bushes and a massive bear appears. Heart racing, you grab your bear spray, knowing it's your best defense. A quick spray creates a safe distance, deterring the bear without harm. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's an essential tool for anyone exploring bear country. It's not just about survival, it's about coexisting safely with nature's most majestic creatures. Survival cooking kit. After a long day of hiking, you're hungry and ready to cook. This survival cooking kit unfolds into a compact kitchen. Pots, pans, utensils, and even a mini stove. Lightweight and easy to pack, it transforms meal prep into an outdoor adventure. Imagine savoring a hot meal under the stars, knowing this tiny kit made it all possible. Heat reflective poncho. Rain starts to pour and the temperature drops, but you're ready. You pull out your heat reflective poncho, which not only keeps you dry, but also traps your body heat. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for emergencies or unpredictable weather. Picture yourself warm and dry while others scramble for cover, thanks to this clever piece of gear. Emergency paracord rope. A tree branch blocks your path or your tent needs extra support. Enter the emergency paracord rope, a durable, versatile tool that can hold hundreds of pounds. Whether you're hanging food to keep it safe from animals or tying a makeshift harness, this rope does it all. Compact and easy to store, it's the unsung hero of every outdoor adventure. Compact survival axe. You need to chop wood, clear brush, or even defend yourself. This compact survival axe is your ultimate tool. Despite its small size, it's razor sharp and powerful enough for any challenge. Picture yourself splitting logs for a roaring fire, knowing this little axe has your back. It's not just gear, it's a symbol of readiness and resourcefulness. Inflatable lantern. Night falls and you need light, but your lantern is as small as a deck of cards. With a few puffs, it inflates into a glowing orb, powered by solar energy. This inflatable lantern is lightweight, waterproof, and perfect for lighting up campsites or signaling for help. Imagine setting it up by your tent, its warm glow turning the wilderness into a cozy retreat. Survival backpack. Finally, the ultimate survival backpack, a pre-packed kit loaded with essentials like water, first aid, fire starters, and more. Designed for emergencies or long treks, it's like carrying an entire survival plan on your shoulders. Picture slinging it on, knowing you're ready for anything the wild throws your way. It's not just a backpack, it's peace of mind in every step. So which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop for more incredible finds. Until next time, stay prepared and stay awesome.